Hi guys, we are from 101 Group E, and we are going to talk about the particulate nature of matter.
My name is Hansel Chua.
And I'm Gerald Chong.
I'm Ian Poon.
And I'm Sean Lim.
All matter is made up of particles.
And these particles possesses kinetic energy.
The arrangement and the movement of the particles determine the property of matter. The three forms of matter is solid, which is like a rock, liquid, like this blue water, and gas, which is contained inside this balloon. Particles are closely packed together. Particles are arranged in a regular pattern. Particles vibrate and rotate in its fixed position like this. Particles have its fixed positions due to strong attractive forces. Therefore, solids like this rock have a definite shape. It can't fit into this glass or bottle or something. It can't be compressed, as you can see he's trying to do. So you can conclude that solids have a definite shape, definite volume, and cannot be compressed, as what you've seen as now what you're doing.
Particles and liquids are not closely packed together. As you can see, they are not arranged in a regular pattern, and they are able to vibrate and slide past one another. They are also held by quite strong attractive forces. Hence, liquids do not have definite shape, as you can take the shape of the container. Liquids have a definite volume, and as you can see, liquids cannot be compressed, as no water could come out when you press the switch down.
The gas particles are far apart from each other. The particles move freely and randomly in all directions at high speeds, like this. Particles do not have fixed positions and occupy any available space. Forces of attraction between the particles are very weak and do not hold the particles close to one another. Therefore, gases have no definite shape, no definite volume, and it can be compressed.
Okay.
Change of state. Change of state occurs when the particles gain energy and move away from the original position. As you can see, when I heat up solids, the particles will gain energy and will start to move way faster. This is also shown in ice cubes melt and start to go in water.
When particles lose energy, they come closer to one another, like this. When they come closer to one another, they become a solid.
This is the end of our presentation. We hope you understand the concept of the particulate nature of matter, and you have enjoyed it.
For the last time, I am Sean.
I'm Ian.
And I'm Gerald.
And I'm Hansel.
Goodbye
Goodbye for now.